You are welcome back to my channel. This is Master Barbers. Yeah, one and only Master Barbers on that rally world. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Subscribe now. Look at the right hand side of this film. Look down. You will see where the rightest USURIB is. Subscribe in capital letters. Use your finger to press. Do not change to subscribe, which means you are subscribed to Master Barbers Comedy TV. Now, after that one, press the notification button. You will see one bell beside the subscribe. Press it. It will now bring out three bells. One down, they cross it. One in the center, one at the up. You want the right A-double-N at the top. You use your finger to press. They paint the inside, whether it's on phones white, it's on phones black, which means you have subscribed to my notification. As soon as I release my video to my YouTube channel, you will be the number one to see my video. Oh yeah, subscribe now, please subscribe. And welcome back again. Now, you see, I used to tell you that sharpening of the clipper blade will become very easy for everybody to be trained to be sharpening all over the world. Do it yourself, DIY. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Sharpening clipper blade professionally, logically, technically by yourself. Yeah, we have reached the level. I want to show you how to sharpen this clipper blade very fast. Just now. Can you see it? It is my clipper. I've used it done. I've used it to make money. Yeah, big money. Now I want to resharpen it very fast. I want you to see the way you can sharpen your clipper. Then I will still slow a little. When I say very fast, not just very fast like that. I need to slow down a little for you to gain from inside. If I want to do it in a way that you don't even see anything, you just see that I just put it on the stone. Second one, first side, second side, the upper one, first side, second side, I just fix it. I just tell it just work. You understand it that way. But I will still slow a little bit. I will slow down a little bit so that you can be able to see details. That is what you are after. I can sharpen it in a way for you not to see any details. You just watch film ordinarily. I'm telling you sincerely. You will just watch the film from A to Z. You will just know that you watch film. You ask what you get inside. Nothing. That was not good. That is how many barbers are doing on YouTube. You cut. At the end of the day, when you watch the video, you continue watching. You cannot understand it. I won't do it in that way for you. I will do it very fast, but I will still slow down a little bit for you to see the details. Yeah, this is what they call master. This is what they call the master. This is what they call professional. This is what they call the professional. Let's go into the video now. I love you all. If you have not subscribed, subscribe right now. And press the notification button. Let's go into the feed. You are welcome back to my channel. This is Master Barbers. Yeah, I want to show you how to sharpen clipper blade very fast. Yeah, strong starless clipper blade. Can you see it? Strong starless clipper blade. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is the inner part of the bottom clipper blade. Let's see. Can you see it? This is the upper blade, inner part of it. I want to show you how you can sharpen stronger starless clipper blade very fast. Can you see it? So let's go into the field now. As usual, you clean the surface of your super hard manual sharpening stone. This is your treatment. Let's start from the bottom clipper blade. Start from here. Let us study the inner surface now. Can you see the sharpening start from here? Following like this. Reach here, now comes back, divide from ear to here into two. This here, this rectangular form. The sharpening now comes from here like this. Now divide it into two. Divide this area into two. Can you see it? So the sharpening now comes like this. Reach this angle. Now come in halfway to this side. Now remain this part. Cover this part. This triangular form. Can you see? This area like this. Can you see it? And it has covered from here to around this place. Can you see this area? Angle 45. The same number of to and fro I count. Can you see it now? So the same number of to and fro I counted for this side, that is to and fro 20 times. I still repeated the same to and fro 20 times for this side too, to balance the surface very well. Likewise here, the moment I sharpen this side, the extension go the same. This one reaches here, this one self reaches the center here. Go across. Then the second one now is from here to here. That is to and fro 20 times again for here too. The equation is balanced now. Can you see the surface now? That is how to sharpen your clipper blade. This is bottom clipper blade. Let's go straight into the upper blade. Can you see it now? Look at it. This is a stronger stainless clipper blade. Very, very strong. Can you see it? You see the surface. You see the surface now. You apply your treatment to cover the whole surface of the super hard sharpening stock. See the way I position it at the angle of 45 degrees. I'm starting from here too. When you divide your blade into two, can you see it in this way? Then I'm placing my thumb here and here. So I'm starting from here now. Can you see it now? See this place? The sharpening cover reach here. Then the sharpening cover reach here. If you watch it carefully, this is the boundary. Now comes like this. Let's go into this side now. The other side now. Can you see it? Can you see it now? Can you see it now? Now to test. This is the bottom clipper blade I'm tapping now. Now place this one on top. See like this. Can you see it now? Can you see the testing? Can you see the carbon from left hand side to the right hand side for the upper and the bottom clipper blade? Can you see it now? For here, you see it? Let me bring the pointer. Can you see the carbon from the left hand side here to the right hand side? Then the same thing here too. The same thing in the back. Can you see it? Which means this clipper blade are sharpening correctly, logically, technically, professionally, okay. It's going to work fine. It's going to work better. Like new one, or even better than the new one. Those subscribers, the viewers that have been following me since, they don't understand what I'm saying. If you are new in this my channel, try to go back and watch many of my videos. You will confirm what I'm saying that is true. Are you see it? Yeah, this is the way to sharpen clipper blade very fast. Are you see it? So thank you. Still be expecting another valuable tutorial after this one. Are you see it? So if you have not subscribed before, please subscribe to my channel. If you have subscribed, it's only one time. Press the notification button so that I can be seeing my notification from time to time. Be expecting another valuable tutorial after this one. Thank you.